Hello, my dear students. Now, let me start with a fresh chapter, that is Firearm Injuries, FM 3.9. Describe different types of firearms, including structure and components, along with description of ammunition, propellant, charge, and mechanism of firearms. Different types of cartridges and bullets, and various terminology in relation to firearm, caliber, range, choking. Let me deal about ballistics, means which includes firearms. Okay. Ballistics. What is ballistics? Ballistics is a branch of science which deals with ballistics is a branch of science which deals with, number one, the study of firearms. The study of firearms. Not only the study of firearms and the motion and impact of projectiles. Briefly telling, ballistics includes the study of firearms and the motion and its effect of the projectiles. You understood? That is ballistics. Now, the ballistics is broadly classified under three headings. Number one, internal ballistics or interior ballistics or proximal ballistics. Okay, say for example, if this is the gun, proximal ballistics about the gun. I will explain. Number two, external ballistics or exterior ballistics or intermediate ballistics. And number three, terminal ballistics or wound ballistics. Briefly telling, whatever the mechanism takes place within the gun is internal ballistics. Study of the effects of the projectile in the body or in the target is terminal ballistics. Whatever in between the gun and the target is intermediate ballistics. In other words, internal ballistics means the study of changes within the gun. Gun means firearm. See, I explain one by one. At the end, you will understand properly, because here we also have confusion where to start, where to end, because lot of basics are there. Once I start at the beginning, you may not understand properly, but once I end the subject, you will understand properly. Okay. So now, as you know very well, to fire a projectile, you have to pull the trigger. All of you know about the trigger. From the time you pull the trigger till the projectile leaves the barrel, whatever changes take place within the gun is internal ballistic. Once the projectile leaves till it hits the target, the study of the motion of the projectile or study of trajectory of projectile. Trajectory means how it moves, or motion of the projectile is known as external ballistics or exterior ballistics or intermediate ballistics. Once it hits the target, once it causes the wound, the study of the effects of the projectile on the body is known as terminal ballistics or wound ballistics. Strictly speaking, as a doctor, we are mainly bothered about wound ballistics. But to know the wound, you should know the basics of firearm. That's why I would like to teach even the internal as well as external ballistics. Okay.